I'm Kavin, URK20CS307. This video we are going to see about the introduction to data science. They aim to write the program to different data types in the Python for the required and expected outputs. So first question, we are using the dictionary getting book ID from the user and find the corresponding book name and display the same. So by identifying the book ID, it will be displaying as a book name. So for this, we are going to write a program and create a dictionary and get the user input from enter the book ID and enter the book name. After that, dictionary key value equal to key value. So if for k and v, check one by one. So if k equal to a, then print v. If the book ID and the enter the books to be searched in the book ID name is same, then it will be displaying as in book name hen. So if they create an 34 and the hen will be displayed. Just in this, create an empty list and fill with list of string by user input. Find the number of strings where the string length is 2 or more and the first and last character are same. List first you want to create a list and count equal to 0 or because you want to check one by one and it will be added. So n equal to input enter the number of strings to be added. So if we give 4 means it will be created in 4 strings. For index list one dot append, for the given string it will be appended through abc xyz aba 1221. So it will be adapted there. After that, for j in list, if the length of is greater than is 2, and check whether the first element and last element is same. If they will be same, it will be give count count plus equal to 1. So it will be iterated through this. So the a is same 1 2 2 1. It 1 and 1 first element and last element share. So it will be counted as an third string and the fourth string. First is two strings were be omitted. This third, create an empty set and full with some values by the user input. Find a maximum value in the set. So s equal to set n is equal to input enter the number of name. So if we give max function, it will be given a maximum value of this three numbers. So if we give 2 3 4, it will be displayed as 4. So the number 4 will be greater than of all these things. So maximum value will be displayed in this output. This fourth one, create an empty tuple and fill with some values by user input. Find the maximum of tuple elements. So first we are creating tuple and y equal to list. We consider list to the tuple. So a equal to enter the number of for I integer n, y will be appended through the this, and if you give all, some function will be added these all three numbers and give an input. If you give input means it will be displaying an output and output by sum of these three numbers. In this fifth one, create a 2D array and perform the matrix addition with using NumPy. So NumPy is a library. By using this, it will be automatically added through the matrices. It will be inbuilt function in this NumPy library. So it will be adding these two arrays and it will be displaying n values. In this, we are going to see the basic details of pandas. Send how to access the CSV file. First, you want to import the CSV file to this data lab. After that, we are going to display a.head. Head means uh, it will be take first four values. First four words, first some amount of values. If tail means it will be take from the last part of the values. Last means how much values we give means two values only taken. If we give 4, it will be taken as 4 head and two tails. And the shape will be how much of rows and how much of columns it will be displayed 1000 310 rows and 14 columns, and the size of this data will be 18340, and the n dimension of the 2D dimension, so it will be distance and 2D, and describe it will be displayed that count, mean, standard, minimum, and 25 was 50 was 75 maximum. So it will be displayed through this function. In this it will be include object also, so it will be give us count, unique, top, frequency values, and display in this output. uh, so all the program were run successfully and given an output values. Okay, thank you.